Hi, in this video we will talk about PEP 448, Additional Unpacking Generalizations. This feature added from Python 3.5. This PEP proposes extended usage of the star iterable unpacking operator and double star dictionary unpacking operators to allow unpacking in more positions, an arbitrary number of times, and in additional circumstances. Specifically, in function calls, in comprehensions and generator expressions, and in displays. If you can't understand them all, doesn't matter, let's see some demos. The first demo is dictionary update. I think most of the Python 2 developers know how to update dictionary through the built-in method update. For example, here we have two dictionaries, dict1 and dict2, and we can use dict2.update dict1 to update dict2. After that, we print out dict2. We can see for dict2, there are 4 key value pairs. One comes from dict2, and the rest of them come from dict1. And if dict2 has a same key as dict1, for example, for dict2, the value of key x is 20. For dict1, the value of key x is 1. And if we run this code again, you will find the dict2, the value of key x is 1. So 1 comes from dict1. So the reason is we update dict2 with dict1. The value in dict1 will overwrite the value in dict2. Let's see the new way after Python 3.5. We want to create dict2 with all the key value pairs in dict1 and plus this new key value pair. This syntax was defined in PEP 448. We can use double star to reference the dictionary we want to add in. You can see we will get the same result just like through update method. And please pay attention, the position of this double star dictionary matters if there is key conflict. For example, we already has key x with value 20. If we want to overwrite the key x value, we should put the double star dictionary at the end. Otherwise, we can put it at the beginning. In summary, the later one will replace the former one. And also we can use double star when call functions. For example, in both Python 2 and Python 3, we can use double star key args as functions argument, which means the number of arguments is changeable. But under Python 2, we can only use one double star arguments when called function. For example, print args double star dict1, or we can use one double star arguments and many other explicit arguments. For example, w equals 100, but please make sure we should put w equals 100 at the front of double star dict1, for example, like this. But after Python 3.5, we can use syntax like this. We can use many double star arguments and many explicit arguments like w or other one. But please make sure all these double star arguments should not have key conflicts, which means there is no overlap for key name. Otherwise, it will return exception. For example, we have dict1 and has x key, and for dict2 has x key. And if we pass this to double star dictionary into this print args function as argument, it will raise type error. Print args got multiple value for keyword argument x. And in this PEP 448, there is some syntax to create Python object through SingleStar. For example, to create tuples. And here we have a string name, and we can use SingleStar name with comma to create a tuple. And please pay attention, at the end there is a comma. If we miss it, it will raise syntax error, okay? And also there are some complex usage about SingleStar. For example, we can use 2 SingleStar arguments to create tuple, list, and set. This is very convenient. Okay, that's all. You can get more information about this PEP 448 from this documentation. Thanks.